Hello everyone, this is Paul from SpanishWithPaul.com and welcome to my first Spanish lesson of 2018. In this one, we're going to look at two very natural phrases that we use a lot in everyday conversation. Those are, I just want and I just wanted. Now, we use these all the time in English, but we can do the same thing just as freely in Spanish. I'm going to be referencing things from my mini course series, which is on YouTube. And if you haven't been through that yet, I've put a link for you in the description box below this video. We're going to be building a lot of sentences, which will give you great practice, as well as bundles of confidence. So that's all coming up next. If becoming fluent in conversational Spanish is one of your goals for this year, then consider clicking the link above to download my free course books that go along with all of my YouTube lessons. You can also subscribe to my channel to get a brand new Spanish lesson from me every single Monday. So with that out of the way, let's get started. What is I want in Spanish? Quiero. Now to say I just want, it becomes solo quiero. This has a literal meaning of only I want, but it's used to express I just want. Solo quiero. What's the verb to see? Ver. And how would you say to see you? Verte. We have the full verb here, ver, to see, with the strong B sound over the V, and we're hooking on the pronoun te, meaning you. So to see you, verte. How would you say, I just want to see you? Solo quiero verte. What's the word for again? Otra vez. Literally, another time. Otra vez. Now say, I just want to see you again. Solo quiero verte otra vez. What's the verb to speak? Hablar. And how do you say with you? Contigo. Now say, I just want to speak with you. Solo quiero hablar contigo. What's the verb to know? Saber. How would you say, I just want to know? Solo quiero saber. What's the word for where? Donde. And to say you are, some of you will remember this from the mini course series. It becomes estás. How would you say where you are? ¿Dónde estás? Now say, I just want to know where you are. Solo quiero saber dónde estás. So we have ¿Dónde estás? For where you are. If we wanted to say where it is, we simply get rid of the S on the end here. So it becomes ¿Dónde está? Once again, where you are, ¿Dónde estás? Where it is, ¿Dónde está? How would you say, I only want to know where it is? Solo quiero saber dónde está. What's the verb to say or to tell? Decir. And how would you say to tell you? Decirte. Here again we have the full verb, decir, with the pronoun for you, te, tagged onto the end of it. So the sound is decirte. How would you say, I just want to tell you? Solo quiero decirte. To express I love you in Spanish is Te amo. Te amo. Now try this. I just want to tell you that I love you. Solo quiero decirte que te amo. How do we express I'm going to in Spanish? Voy a. And how would you say I'm not going to? No voy a. What is to be here? Estar aquí. Now say I'm not going to be here. No voy a estar aquí. What's the word for tomorrow? Mañana. Now how would you say I'm not going to be here tomorrow? No voy a estar aquí mañana. Let's try a longer one. I just want to tell you that I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Pause and think it out. Solo quiero decirte que no voy a estar aquí mañana. Do you remember how to say where it is? ¿Dónde está? I just want to know where it is. Solo quiero saber dónde está. How about I just want to know where you are? Solo quiero saber dónde estás. Here we have that little difference between dónde está for where it is and dónde estás for where you are. If voy a means I'm going to, do you remember how to say you're going to? This again is from the mini course series. Vas a. So we have voy a, I'm going to, vas a, you're going to, voy a and vas a. The word for when in Spanish is cuando. How would you say, I just want to know when you're going to be here? Solo quiero saber cuándo vas a estar aquí. What's the verb to do? Hacer. And how would you say to do it? Hacerlo. Here, the lo means it, and just like te, the other pronoun, it gets hooked on to the end of the verb. So to do it, hacerlo. How would you say, I just want to know when you're going to do it? Solo quiero saber cuándo vas a hacerlo. So far, we've been working with I just want, solo quiero. But we also use a lot I just wanted. This in Spanish would be solo quería. Let's look at the pronunciation. We have que followed by ría. Solo quería. This means I just wanted. Once again, what's the verb to see? Ver. And to see you? Verte. Now say, I just wanted to see you. Solo quería verte. I just wanted to see you again. Solo quería verte otra vez. What's the verb to say or to tell? Decir. And how do you say to tell you? decirte. Now say, I just wanted to tell you. Solo quería decirte. Do you remember how to say, I love you? Te amo. Now say, I just wanted to tell you that I love you. Solo quería decirte que te amo. What's the verb to speak? Hablar. And how do you say with her? Con ella. Now say, I just wanted to speak with her. Solo quería hablar con ella. Do you remember how to say where you are? ¿Dónde estás? Now say, I just wanted to know where you are. Solo quería saber dónde estás. We can ask where you are, ¿dónde estás? But we could also ask how you are. What's the word for how? ¿Cómo? Now, how would you say how you are? ¿Cómo estás? Notice the common link here. Where you are would be ¿dónde estás? But how you are, ¿cómo estás? Let's use it. I just wanted to know how you are today. Solo quería saber cómo estás hoy. Once again, what is you're going to? Vas a. And what's the word for when? Cuando. Now say when you're going to. ¿Cuándo vas a? I just wanted to know when you're going to be here. Solo quería saber cuándo vas a estar aquí. What's the word for if in Spanish? Sí. And how do you say soon? Pronto. Now say, I just wanted to know if you're going to be here soon. Solo quería saber si vas a estar aquí pronto. To express for me in Spanish is para mí. How would you say, I just wanted to know when you're going to do it for me? Solo quería saber cuándo vas a hacerlo para mí. Something else we looked at in the mini course series was you can. How do you say that? What's the word? Puedes. Let's use it. I just wanted to know if you can do it for me today, please. Solo quería saber si puedes hacerlo para mí hoy, por favor. So far we have I just want, solo quiero, and I just wanted, solo quería. Let's run a drill where we compare them side by side. First of all, what's the verb to arrive? Llegar. And what's the word for late? Tarde. Now say, I just want to tell you that I'm going to arrive late today. Solo quiero decirte que voy a llegar tarde hoy. Now say, I just wanted to tell you that I'm going to arrive late today. Solo quería decirte que voy a llegar tarde hoy. How would you say, I just want to know how you are? Solo quiero saber cómo estás. Now say, I just wanted to know how you are. Solo quería saber cómo estás. To express I miss you in Spanish is te extraño. Try this one. I just wanted to see you again because I miss you. Solo quería verte otra vez porque te extraño. If you're serious about learning Spanish and want to become conversationally fluent, my main course, Spanish with Paul, is live and available for you now. Inside you'll get my complete course, none of which is available on YouTube, and also my personal attention to make sure you achieve conversational fluency in the fastest time possible. In short, if you like my free lessons on YouTube and the results they're giving you, then you'll love what I have for you inside the main course. You can click the link on the screen now to find out all the details. So with that said, I look forward to seeing you again in my next video.